Hi, I'm Stefano from Italy. Thanks for watching our Pedrazzoli video tutorials. In these videos, we present you our full automatic Bandmaster 45 and our full automatic Bandmaster 65. In this video, we show you the machine and we explain the machine features. The machine has 11 full electric axes. AX1 is the carriage movement. AX2 is the bend angle. AX3 is the carriage rotation. AX4 is the clamp die movement. AX5 is the horizontal movement of the pressure die. AX6 is the linear movement of the pressure die. AX7 is the vertical movement of the bend head. AX8 is the horizontal movement of the bend head. AX9 is the mandrel movement in and out that can be programmed. AX10 is the collet open and close movement. This is a device to guide the mandrel rod. The use of this device is to block the machine if something happens and the rod goes out of the axis, so the machine stops. Here we can see an automatic tube support that moves in and out if the carriage comes forward or moves backwards. The proposal of the nose is to have a stop inside the collet, so when we start the cycle, this nose will go inside the collet. You pull the tube against, it moves up and the carriage goes back to the starting position. This tank contains the grease that lubricates automatically all the mechanical parts of the machine. The time of lubrication can be set in the control. This is the connection for the compressed air. It must be set at least 8 bars. Without this connection, the machine will not run and give you an error. This foot pedal is to open or close the collet manually. The Pedrazzoli Bandmaster line is entirely driven by Fanuc servo motors and Fanuc drives. This part of the electrical panel contains the router for the wireless connection, relay and the wiring bracket. Follow us for more online video tutorials. Don't hesitate to contact your commercial partner for all your questions or doubts. Thanks for watching this video. Ciao!